Hi everyone, when you have 1 cup semolina and craving for something sweet, make this instant semolina sweet with some healthy alternatives. Start by putting 1.5 to 2 cups white or brown sugar in a pan according to your taste. Then 3 to 3.25 cups water depending how thick or dry you want the halwa. I usually add 3.25 cups as it tends to thicken when cold. Some food color. Cook until sugar dissolves, then turn off the stove. In another pan take 1 cup semolina, 2 to 3 cardamoms, half cup desi ghee or oil. Cook on medium flame until you get aroma. It should look like this after 3 to 4 minutes. Then put flame low and add sugar water. Cook on high flame, stirring constantly. When it looks like this, cover it. Turn off the flame and take out from hot burner. Don't wait for water to dry up, it will get soaked. Open the lid only after 15 minutes, not before that. Serve hot or cold as you like, but remember it will thicken when cold. Like and comment. Subscribe for more videos.